locked up and taped up.
Huh?
Locked up.
You know what?
I
I know that. I know. It's hard to do that. Like, I don't want to do that either. Really, but, some people want it done.
They do. And some trailer now, they want that kind of angled light onto it. But I got those old beehive lights that get better printed out. I bought 51 of them.
Okay.
For $2 a shot.
Can't do better than that.
No, and they're steel backs, so you can change the backs if you want to. And it's like that. So it's a close light up a bit.
But you're happy though.
Yeah.
Also, like, at any point in time, it's not.
Yeah,
That's a good call.
Yeah, it's not incorporated in.
Yes.
No, it's I just run it back over here because we're gonna stage one clutch. That board there, get the clutch.
What does stage one clutch mean?
Just I didn't want anything like grab. I still wanted to smooth, like drive normal. So.
Did you put a piece in here?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. That had a.
You're badass. You're badass.
That had a big old about 4 bolts into an old square 4-inch bolt into it, square bolt, and they kept it alive and had a bunch of stuff pulled up underneath it. So I put it out.
A mess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put that in.
So does that hold the front end on? Is that what comes off this? Or does that come up? Your front end metal piece comes around there? Is that what happens?
No, these ones don't. Yeah.
Okay.
I thought they did at first. No, they didn't. And they had they got little bracing ones. Here somewhere.
Yeah.
Off here a little bit.
Your grill looks good in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
This is Terry Schofield, a friend of ours. 37 Chev Gasser. Just getting it complete now.
Just getting it moving now.
Just getting moving. It's on its own power. We go for breakfast for Subway. We keep an eye on him. He was outside. Here we are. Looks good.
Yeah. It's all right.
You can uncap it at any time.
Yeah.
Make it loud.
Yeah. It's pretty healthy the way it sounds now. Actually, I'd probably fire it for you.
For sure. We love that.
Yeah.
I like your door handles. How you shut it up.
Yeah.
I like your roll burner too. I've never seen that.
Well, see, I had that tucked away,
Sound like a roll burner in it.
and it's like the old Lakewood
Yeah.
the 3-padded ones. I always call them 3-legged ones.
Yeah.
And it's got the big hoops in your helmet area, you know. And all
It's
that.
for the driver.
Yeah.
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 Not so much the passenger, but the driver. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
They
That's the
don't even-
mother-in-law seat.
That's it.
I learned that from Gene Winfield.
Sure.
Yeah. I never noticed what a trunk on an old 37 Chev. Holy smokes, how long that thing is. Wow.
And just lift it.
Wow. I never noticed how long they
Whatever
were.
slips out of your hands, you probably
Cut your fingers off.
Yeah.
Cut your fingers off.
Yeah.
Come here, son. I want to show you something.
Step over here.
Cool. See any bumper rat? I like your choice of wheel too. I like that. leave the windshield out.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's coming. It's,
Yeah, very well done.
I'm pleased
We
with
showed the underneath of this car on the last video Jolene had taken of it, and the underneath of it looks like the top of the 62. If you know what I'm trying to tell you, it's very nice. But very well done. Jolene has showed everything, I think, underneath there, that how well it's done.
it.
Nice.
If you want to.
Sure, if you want to lift the hood, that'd be great.
Yeah.
People love to see this stuff, you know what I mean? Finding out anyways.
I don't know
Yeah,
how to
let's
figure it out. Painting it up, figure I gotta do a little jetting onto
Yeah.
it and stuff like that. So.
Well, you even put a fan shroud on that sucker, didn't you?
Yeah.
Good
that
for
was,
you.
That was
A job
yeah.
to make it fit right exactly.
And to be able to take it apart while it's in the car.
Yeah.
fan
You
change.
you made it.
Yeah.
Well done. He made the fan shroud for this vehicle. If you take a look at it, you wouldn't think someone made that. You think you bought it. You would think, by the looks of it, how shiny and how nice it's done. Well done.
Yeah. It's
Well done.
a bit of thinking there.
I think I have a hood, 37 hood maybe. I
Oh, yeah.
think. I'm not sure. I had a really nice grill, and it was winter time, and I ran over it.
Oh.
You know what I mean? You don't know where the snow is, and I destroyed it. It was a good chrome grill. I got this part, I think.
Oh, is that right?
I think I have that part.
Yeah.
You can see the color that he has on the firewall if he ever decides. That's what it could become. That's a pretty blue, is it not?
Yeah. It's like a. It's really it's not blue. That's the faded version
Okay.
right there.
Yeah. I see you're growing Dodge trucks here.
Actually, I got rid of one.
Did you?
The white one I had.
Did you sell the old, what's it called that? Casper.
Casper, exactly.
You sold
right.
Casper?
Casper, yeah. Casper got a new home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was a big white Dodge he owned, he sold it.
Yeah.
And he seemed like they're, I don't know, they're popping up everywhere. He's making love. Or
The rain comes, they grow that fast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So you're going to stick on this one, just keep on this one for a while? Because I know you got more.
Yeah, I'm not going to probably any of them for a long,
Good man.
while.
Good man.
Get one up and going.
They're yours.
And get the next one up and
Yeah.
going. And get one for every day of the week.
I like that. One for every day of the week.
Yeah.
You would think that we got a TV in our car. We got the rabbit ears in the back.
Oh, no problem with that.
Got the rabbit ears in the back. You think we had a TV, wouldn't you? You're putting your ears down. I don't know. No one's ever approached her in the car before. It's a single park or anything. Or I know some dogs want to bite your arm off and try to get in the car, right?
Yeah.
Well done, Terry. Well done.
Yeah.
I must say. You want to look at the shock bracket on the front.
Yeah.
On the front. That's nice too. Didn't
Yeah.
notice the shock bracket on the front for shocks on the straight axle. He made a little bracket there and bolted it right to the bottom of the plate. That's cool.
They have one similar, like, this had E-shocks,
Yeah.
The truck had one similar, just basically it's like towing, it's all kind of fancy stuff. Shocks are like all 3/4 inch.
Yeah, you just build off whatever someone else has done, just to go a little bit further and
That's it.
make your own idea.
Yeah, your own little touch.
Yeah, your own little touch. You've done it well. You've done an awesome job on it. We've had a few people in saying, I didn't know there was a 37 Chevy Gasser around as well. Probably in the shop, he was working on it, man.
Yeah.
You don't bring it out until it's done, usually.
Oh, that's right, yeah. You get too old to push them out, too.
Yeah. You leave out here too long, you'll have a lot more people stopping. No doubt in my mind.
That's why we keep using the sunshine.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll have fun with that.
Yeah.
Well, you inspired me, Terry. You inspired me. I'm going home, going to work.
Are you?
I am. I'm going home, going to work. I'm going to get the young guy to do the welding. And I'm going to play with cardboard and try to make some pieces.
Yeah. I'll drop in again. Just see what you've done.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
See you around.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks,
See ya.
We canceled the car show. I'm kind of sad because I was thinking you might have come over, but
Oh, I would have. Yeah, absolutely.
we just don't want to be a part of something that goes wrong. We can't open up yet, so we'll just wait.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we'll just wait.
Yeah, there'll just be more cars coming, that's all.
Next time.
Yeah. I'll have to show up like 3 days early, just get a spot.
All safe spot for you.
Good.
See you, Terry.
We'll see you then.
Have a good one, man. Looks good.
Thanks a lot.
Looks awesome. I'm sure everybody on Facebook and YouTube will think the same thing.
Oh, is that right?
Oh yeah,
Right on.
guaranteed.
Okay.
Have a good one.
We'll see you now.
Looking good, eh? Mm-hmm. We usually go the other way home, but when I seen Terry had his car out, we had to come back this way. Me and Jolene used to go to Subway in the morning, have breakfast, And but when I seen he had his gasser, I had to stop. It's getting closer, and he's doing a beautiful job on it. I can't say nothing more, nothing less, other than he's doing an awesome job. That's basically what I can say. It inspires me to go home, go to work. We got our rabbit ears in the back. That's Fina. Huh? I say her name, roll ears go right down. You notice that? Beautiful. Carrie's got some cool shit. I like his flavor. Sometimes people have different flavors, and I like his flavor. And that means style. Even got the Canada flag hanging in the trees. God bless him. Old Canada, how free we are. Geez, I better go easy. I got a 4-speed in this thing. I better not hurt her. Huh? I think I got a gasser, you see? I left there. I think I got a big gasser now. What's this car doing? Okay. Alright, I'm just going to sign off. I'm inspired to go back to work. Aiden's coming. Me and Jolene got our bellies full. Got our coffee, got our go-go juice going on. Got a little drive to 62 this morning. Got to walk around Terry's car. I'm so happy that he let us videotape it. You know, some people don't want to, but Terry was good about that. And that car right there will be cruising the streets of Nova Scotia probably for the rest of the summer. Looks good on you, Terry. Down to Snake, called the Snake Dyke, I guess. That's what I've called it most of my life. And why they call it Snake